Today we will work on the dead load calculator, and the dead load calculator computes the moments at the maximum moments at the midspan for a simple supported structure. The moments are due to the girder weight itself, the wet weight of slab, and the superimposed dead load. And let's click on the calculate. As you see, we have the metric and imperial options here. And we are going to compute the dead load just for one girder, and all the values here should be in positive. Like the area of girder can be determined from the concrete girder calculator. Unit weight is 25 and the span length is 30 meters. So when I say calculate, it computes the uniform load and the corresponding dead load moment. And let's say we change the girder area to another number, and when we press calculate, it has been increased by 1.8%, and we can just switch to an imperial data where we see that when we press calculate, the numbers are in Gibbs feet, basically. And when we look into the wet weight of slab, this again will act on the girder. It is not on the composite section. So we are asking for, let's switch to, let's stay on the imperial. It will be in 0.16 Gibbs per feet cube. This is the length, this is the slab thickness in feet, and girder spacing is given like this. So let's compute this one, and as computation we get a set of numbers for moment and uniform load. The superimposed dead load will be on the composite section, and as you see, we have 9 girders. Span width is given like this, dwelling layer of thickness, the sidewall, unit weight of reinforced concrete, and unit weight of layering concrete. These are all in imperial system. When we say calculate, it gives the all moments belonging to the system. And when we switch to metric, again we say calculate, calculate, calculate. We should see everything in centimeters. And we might just change the slab thickness to 0.26, let's say, and calculate. It has been increased by 4%, and what we have is all these values should be positive, and we can find more in essential tutorials, and we have some also calculator details option. And thank you.